Hey, it's Marlis Howard, and we're going to talk about Behr Neutrals. Here we go. Woo-hoo. Okay, we're going to talk about some mushroomy colors. Let's just pick them out and see what we have here. Creamy mushroom. That is perfect for almost any room. And if you can't really decide, just paint a poster board or a mighty board or whatever they have at the paint store, or even on your wall. If you know the painter's coming, in 2 weeks, just paint it on your wall and see if you really like it. So this is creamy mushroom, because creamy mushroom, I think that's a really nice medium beige color, which is very in beige. This is nice. This is Parisian Cafe, and this is more of a taupey pinky beige. You don't see it, but it has a little bit of sort of a lavender pink in there. So that's a nice taupe color. Almost leans towards gray. Okay, this is espresso beans, which reads black to me. Espresso beans, but a lot of the soft black colors end up being sort of like a navy undertone. This one is definitely a brown undertone. So equal parts of red and green. Espresso beans. And these are all Behr colors. Yeah, let's just pick these up. Okay, burnt almond. Super warm, but not too gold. Gold, but not too gold. Like a neutral gold. Burnt almond, very warm, very cozy, ready for fall. Of course, we have Swiss coffee, just a warm white, works for most spaces. Okay, and then we have the ultra pure white, which is a little bit yellow when you look at it, which makes it nice and bright. Okay, and this is Behr rug. And this has a little bit more of a purple undertone, but is still very neutral, very high-end hotel. And so this is nice. This is good and acceptable and will last a long time and still be very dramatic, which a lot of people like, people who like drama. Behr rug from Behr. Okay, Behr rug from Behr. Okay, and this one is carbon copy. This is one of the dark grays I picked. I like carbon copy. It reads like a black. Okay, Moroccan henna. So it's kind of that warm, rusty, dark drama that we're all looking for sometimes for a feature wall. Anyway, those are my picks for the neutrals. Those are my picks for my neutrals. Have a little cleaning going on. We'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot.
Love the ways you make us home. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, what's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on?
Okay, this is your hack of the day quickly. I'm going to recycle this mayonnaise jar, but I want to clean it out first. So what I'm going to do is put salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and cold water, and shake it. Make sure it's cold. There you go. Nice and clean.
In these times, just please be patient. Be my shore, you be my home. Drag this out and build us up again. Put things right and let me go. No way of knowing if there's still time. Look away, what's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on? Look away, what's really going on? What's really going on?
look away. What would you say if things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say it? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine.